Let's get right into it. If you're operating in the senior care space, the absolute most urgent marketing action you need to take this week has absolutely nothing to do with tweaking your ads or writing new content or even refining your sales follow-up. It has everything to do with finding out if your business is actually literally still visible online. We are looking at a massive silent shift in how local search works, and it's catching countless operators completely off guard. So let's dive into this explainer and get you sorted out. So let me ask you this. Have you had a week recently, maybe over the last few days or weeks, where your inquiry volume was just a little quieter than usual? Like the phones experienced this unexplained drop in calls and you couldn't quite put your finger on why? Your marketing budget hasn't changed, your team is doing everything right, but the leads just aren't flowing in the way they normally do. Well, here is the harsh reality, and honestly, it's a bit of a shocker. You might actually be completely invisible. And I don't mean that in some metaphorical sense. I mean your business might have completely vanished from Google. And the scariest part? This happens without any warning whatsoever. No courtesy alert, no automated red flag email from Google telling you there's a problem. You just quietly disappear, and your phones just get a little quieter. Section 1. The July 3rd Shift and the End of Postcards. Right, so here's what happened. On July 3rd, Google quietly rolled out a massive policy shift. The old way, the way almost everyone historically verified their business, was through a simple little postcard in the mail with a PIN code. Well, that system is dead. The new way? Google now demands an unedited video walkthrough. They literally want a continuous recording showing your permanent signage and absolute proof that your business is actively operating from your listed address. And here's the catch. If your older profile was verified under that old postcard system and you haven't re-verified with this new video method, Google may just flag your account. And the result of that flag? Complete suspension. Now, to be clear, this doesn't mean you just drop to page 2. It means complete removal from Google Search, from Google Maps, and from the new AI overviews. It is total digital invisibility. Section 2. The cost of invisibility and the real-world financial loss.
Because listen, this isn't just some annoying IT glitch. It's a direct hit to your bottom line. Just look at this number, $40,000 to $80,000. To put that into perspective, that represents the average first-year value of just a single senior care placement. So if your profile is suspended, every single family who finds your competitor instead of you is costing you tens of thousands of dollars.
And that lost revenue, it compounds aggressively. Why? Because families in a care crisis search once, they get an answer, and they call. Think about it. They are highly stressed, they're searching for immediate local options, they look at the first reliable answer, which is usually an AI overview or a top maps result, and they pick up the phone. If you aren't showing up right then and there, they are moving forward with someone else. Plain and simple. Section 3. The 20-minute fix for reclaiming your visibility. Okay, let's all take a deep breath. The solution here is entirely within your control, but it really must be executed immediately. It's just 3 clear steps. Step 1, you're going to log into your Google business profile. Step 2, check your status. If it says unverified or suspended, you'll see a prompt right there to begin video verification. And step 3, just record a 20-minute walkthrough of your facility, your signs, and your operations. You submit that unedited video, and Google usually restores your profile within a few days. Section 4, future-proofing your profile beyond the verification. Now, just getting your listing live again is really only step 1. We need to optimize for how modern AI-driven search actually works today. Think of this as a quick mini masterclass. First off, audit your service categories so they perfectly match what you offer. Second, make sure your photos are fresh, uploaded within the last 90 days. And third, rewrite your business description using very specific, factual language. You see, AI systems scan this exact text to formulate their answers. If it's just a bunch of fluffy marketing speak, the AI simply won't know how to cite you. You really have to adopt this mindset moving forward. Treat it like infrastructure. Your Google business profile is no longer just some digital Yellow Pages listing. It is hands down the most critical online asset you own. I mean, you wouldn't just let the roof of your physical building cave in, right? You absolutely must apply that exact same level of maintenance to your digital footprint. So, I want to leave you with this final thought. Is your profile actually appearing in local AI answers in your market today? Because if you don't know for sure, you might literally be losing families right this second. If you want some help figuring out your visibility status, definitely go find the team at Silvercore.io. That is literally the very first conversation they have with operators. Get that video recorded, reclaim your visibility, and safeguard your business. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. And make sure to come back for our next one, where we'll be uncovering a hidden Google Ads mechanic that is quietly draining hundreds of dollars a month from most senior care budgets and they don't even know what's happening. You really won't want to miss it.